Hey everyone, so this will be an unboxing here of the top fin from Pessimer. This is the 10-gallon angled view aquarium. This thing looks pretty sweet, so I just spent 90 bucks on it. I know it goes on sale for cheaper than that, but normal price it is 90 bucks. This here, it is a 10-gallon tank. You can see the dimensions there. They are 23.24 inches long by 12.8 inches wide by 9.89 inches high. I'm sure some of that's a bit different because of the angled view on it. The bag shows us what we get in here, and of course I'll show that off in just a moment here. But we have the 10-gallon glass tank, so it is glass lid top with feeding opening, 6500K bright white overhead light, ceramic biological filtration rings, top fin internal filter, and then you also have the filter cartridge. So there is no heater in this tank, which is normal. That is what it looks like out of the box with the all the accessories still in their boxes. Alright, so each of the boxes are stuck in the tank with that aquarium safe glue, or it's like silicone or something like that. So make sure you scratch it off the best you can, as it will get stuck on there. So in the boxes we have the long skinny one was this top here, and it does say top fin with their symbol on it. Here we go. And it does have a spot here, which is where the filter will go in the aquarium. We do have a nice long light. I will show this all off on there in just a moment here. Showing what we all got in the boxes first. Then we have the filter. That does come with the biological media there. And then you also have the cartridge there. Make sure you rinse this all off before you put it into your tank. Then also, show on this, you also had a little bag of these plastic, I'm just calling them feet here. They do go onto the top on either side, like so. Well, they're easy to put on. They should be pretty easy to get off. So make sure you put those on, otherwise your top's just going to fall into the tank. Alright, so here is an idea of what it will look like. Of course, it's not almost set up yet all the way, but you have your top up here. These feet are adjustable. They slide in and out. You actually have to put it in when you first get this. So make sure you put in your feet. You don't want it just resting on the glass. I don't think it'll hurt anything. It just probably isn't the best thing. Again, we do have our little feeder flap here. Top fin symbol there. Then you have your aquarium filter there, and this does have a very easy open top, which is nice, so you can easily get in and remove and clean and whatever in there. So again, this is a 10-gallon tank, and it is very, very cool looking. I'm excited to set this thing up. Don't know what I'm going to put in here. Maybe a beta. Usually I put in a beta. Probably a beta, but we'll see. So again, this thing is really cool. I will show off the light in just a second here. It shows off on the side. Then, like always, make sure you do check your silicone all on the sides and everywhere there's silicone. Make sure it's not missing chunks. Make sure it's not cracked anywhere. Make sure there's no crazy scratches on this. I mean, it is glass. Things do get broken in shipping, or even when you pick it up from after you pick it up from the store, it could get broke on your way home or something like that. But especially the silicone, if the silicone is missing anywhere, I would return it and get a new one. Mine looks actually almost perfect, so that's good. As always, you can have leaking if the silicone is messed up anywhere. So here it is. The light is on, but I also have my overhead light on, so it is nice and bright. And now with my window still open behind it here, see this is a nice bright light. Again, it only has on and off. It does have the switch on here, but that is nice and bright, so that should be good. Yeah, so I'm excited to set this up. Stay tuned for more videos to come on this tank. As always, I really do appreciate you guys. Hope you all have a good one. Happy holidays. See you next time. Goodbye.